Hello guys, welcome back again to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can use two WhatsApp accounts in one phone. These steps are completely the same for all Android devices. In my case, I'm using Samsung Android devices. So, first, just straight jump to your setting, scroll down until you find advanced features. Scroll down and tap on dual messenger. So, in my case, I want to use two WhatsApp accounts in one phone, so allow it to WhatsApp and install. Scroll down and confirm. Off. Come back. So, wait until the process is completed. Now, go to your back home screen and see if there is change. Here, as you can see, there is a second WhatsApp in my phone. So, I can jump straight into it and log my second account. So, that's how you can use two accounts of WhatsApp in one phone. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video really helpful, please leave a like button and subscribe our channel. Love you all.